Hi everyone, Dheeraj here. Today we are going to, in the previous video we have discussed about how we can be able to create the routes and how we can be able to switch from one page to another page. In this video we will talk about how we can be able to dynamically switch from one page to another page. Like in the normal application we have a home tab, about tab, products tab, and then after we can be able to switch from one page to another page. Similarly, in this video we will talk about how we can be able to switch from one page to another page using the concept of the Next.js, right? So please continue with me till the end of the video, and we will explore these things uh, as soon as possible, right? So switch to my VS Code and let's check how we can be able to do that. So this is basically our home page, and inside that I am creating normally for switching from one page to another page we use the anchor tag, that like inside the HTML pages or some PHP also we have to do the same approach. So just do with the same thing and let's see if we can be able to follow that approach, then our requirement will be fulfilled or not. So this is my about page, and now I am going to just switch to the browser. Now I am going to just switch my browser, and here about page options has been shown. Now if I am clicking to the about, yeah, we can be able to switch from one page to another page. Then what is then is it the right way to do this? No. Inside the Next.js we cannot do this because it is the not the right approach. If because it is a static application, then there is no problem. But if we are creating a dynamic page application, if we create a dynamic application, then in that case we will lose our states, and if we are going to use the Redux, then in that case also we can be able to lose all our state management, right? So this is not basically a right approach to do that. So what is the right approach for switching from navigating from one page to another page? For that purpose we use the link component. And how to do that? So let's continue with me and switch to our VS Code. Let's continue with me. Let's switch to our VS Code, and for that purpose, just for making some proper UI, I am tagging the list tag so that everything will be going right way, right? So inside the list tag I am adding the link, and linkage basically comes under the next/link, and here I am adding the href, and right, and here I am adding the about, similar to the anchor tag, but here we are using the link, not the anchor tag. And here I am passing the about page, then after switch back to the Google Chrome. Switch back to the Google Chrome. Yes. Now I am going to our index page, and if I am going to now this is the right way. We have landed on the about page, and if we use the link component, then in that case we do not we do not lose our any data. We do not lose the states, right? So now again switch to the our VS Code and make some more changes, that we have a product page and contact page also. So we are doing all the things. This is our products page, and this is our contact page, products. And this is our contact. right? Now again switch to the Google Chrome. Now I am again switching to the index page. Now we have multiple options, that is this is our products page, this is our contact page. If I am going to open inside the new tab, then this is the contact page. If I am going to the click on the products, then this is our products page. Let's make some changes inside the product page also, because product page also contains product details. So if I am adding the product something, then we will go to the product detail page. So let's make some changes inside the products page also, so that we can be able to switch from products page to the product detail page also. So again switch to my VS Code, and I am going to the products page. This is our products page, and here I am creating a list for the multiple pages, multiple products, right? This will be the item 1, and this will be this will be the item 1, this will be item 2, and this will be item 3. And while we are switching from one item to another item, we need to add the href, and inside that, basically what is our route? Normally what will be our route? That will be the products / id, and here the id is item 1, right? So again I need to repeat these things on the both items, item 2 and item 3. Only the id will be changed. So this will be the item 2, and this will be the item 3, right? Now again I am switching to the switching to the Chrome browser. So I am going to the products page, right? Here 3 items will be has been listed, and if I am clicking on the item 1, then I am switching to the item 1. If I am switching to the item 2, then because the message is the same, so there will be make some changes inside the code, so that we can be able to see the reflections that will be happen. So for that purpose I am importing okay, that will be covered in the next video. So till now we have covered all the things, from how we can be able to link from one page to another page, and we also see with the anchor tag that we can be able to do the same thing, but in that case we will lose our data, we will lose our states. If you are using the Redux, in that case also we will lose our state management things. So for that purpose we use the link component for fulfilling such types of requirement, and with the help of the link we can be able to manage the states, and we can be able to perform the navigation from one page to another page. So this is all about the Dheeraj videos, and in the next video we will come with some different topics, that is we will go further for making the dynamic on the products detail page also, and we will check how the data is being reflected or not in the next video. So till now, goodbye and thanks for watching. And if you find something valuable in this video, so please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.